So this is how I make these little books. They're little zines. They're 8 pages. They print beautifully. The ones you're looking at here, I printed in 2015. So they last quite a while. They stand the test of time. Now, all I use for printing these, I think these were actually done on a laser printer that I once had, but I currently use a Canon G650. The G650 quotes that you can get 3,850 6x4 colour photographs out of one set of inks, which it seems to do. It's a tank printer, so it's very economical. And these 8-page little zines are printed using one sheet of A4 paper. So let me show you how I do it. I designed mine in Affinity Publisher, but you could do this in any bit of software that you prefer to use. It's a 2-page design, and these numbers indicate the page that it will be in my zine. So what I'm actually doing is printing the 2 pages on one sheet, so double-sided. I have to do mine manually because my printer isn't duplex. And then, if you can imagine here, having printed it on both sides, I'm then folding the bottom half behind the top half. So this is my front page, and then I'm folding it down this line. So I hope you can picture how that's going to work. So I fold it here and then fold it there. And the reason why this margin here is wider than the other margins is because then I'm either going to use scissors or my guillotine. I use my guillotine to chop the bottom off, so this then becomes loose, so the book can turn. We can turn the pages. So what I've done here is I've shown you the setup, and all I've done is I've created pitch boxes, 4 pitch boxes on each side. So there's another side here, look. And then I've given you the numbers. I can send this template to you if you wish. Just send me an email. So what I'll do is I'll put my front page picture here and my back page picture there. Now, to make it work, you need to put some of the images upside down. And what I've done is I've underlined the number where you need to rotate the image so that it's upside down. And it's truly as simple as that. What I do is then I print it out. I create a PDF, or you could print straight from the Affinity Publisher. And I'm doing double-sided printing. And then when I put it back into the printer, in my printer, your printer might be different, or you might have a fancy duplex printer. I'm then lifting the sheet up, putting the numbers face down so that this edge goes into the printer first, so it's upside down. So 1 and 8 goes in first. So it could be that you need to do a little bit of trial and error, but it should work first time for you. As I say, if you would like this template, just send me a message, send me an email to StewartWall01, that's StewartWall01 at gmail.com. And just put in your title of your email, the 8-page 1-sheet template, and then I'll know what you're asking for. Have fun.